So welcome back again, students. This is I'm continuously shooting videos on the content for percentages. Already covered 6 concepts today. I bring yet another concept which is based on percentages and commission. Let us understand what kind of numericals, what kind of arithmetic problems come in this concept. Let's begin. An agent gets 5% commission on all the sales up to 10,000 and 4% commission on the sales exceeding this amount. He gives 38,300 from his sales to the company. After deducting the commission, find the total sales. So you understood? So let us say ये उसका पूरा sales है. Up to 10,000 of sales, he gets 4% commission. And on all the sales which are exceeding 10,000, he gets 5% commission. And all the sales exceeding this, he gets 4% commission. Right? After that, he gives 38,300 from his sales to the company. So he gives back 38,300 back to the company after deducing his commission. So we have to find the total sales. So here there is one important thing is either I can take 5% of 10,000, then I can assume this as X, then I can take 4% of X, then I will add both this commission, then I will find out the commission, then I will add this commission into this, and then I can find it. So we don't want to do that long method. Let us try to understand and do it more innovatively. So what I'm saying is, let us say he says, he decided that I will take 4% commission on the entire sales. Let us say. In that scenario, he would have got 4% for 10,000 also. Yes or no? He would have got 4% of 10,000 also. So instead of getting 5% on 10,000, he would have got 4% on 10,000, which means he would have got 1% less. Yes or no? Because what is 1% of 10,000? 1,000. 100, sorry. My mistake. 1% of 10,000 is 100, which means he would have got 100 commission less, which means he would have given 100 more back to the company. Instead of giving 38,300, in that scenario, he would have given 38,400 to the company because he got 100 commission less, which means 38,400 represents how much? 96% or not? 96% की value 38,400 है ना, because this amount he gave back to the company after deducting his commission, and his commission was 4%. So 96% is this. So 100% will be how much? 100 upon 96 into 38400. So I can say 96 into 4, 24, 4 to 384. So this will get cut. This will be 400. So his sales would have been 40,000. Understood or not? So what we did here is we said let him get 4% only, which means if he got 4%, इधर इसको 1% कम मिला होगा. 8% of 10,000 कितना 100, which means he must have given 100 less मिला उसको, मतलब उसने कंपनी को 100 ज्यादा दिया होगा with respect to this. तो उसने 38,400 वापस दिया होगा. 38,400 represents 96%, 100% represents 40,000. Clear? A company gives 9% commission to his salesperson up to sales of rupees 15,000 and 7% on the sales more than 15,000. If sales deposited is 32250 after deducting commission, find total sales. Again, the same kind of sum. So up to 15,000 of sales, he gets 9% commission, and above this he gets 7% commission. and he gives to the company 32,250 after deducting his commission. Now again, what I do is I decide to say I take 7% commission on the entire sales, which means I am taking 2% less here. So if I am taking 2% less here on 15,000, I am taking how much less commission? I am taking 300 commission less, which means I must have given 300 more back to the company. So I must have given 32,550 more to the company back, and this 32,550 represents how much? 93%, because 7% commission उसने निकाल दिया. तो 100 क्या होगा? 100 upon 93 into 32,550. Okay, so 3 से कटेगा ये 1085. Thirty-one threes are 93, and 103, 15, 155. So 5. So 350 into 100 is 35,000. So 35,000 would have been his original sales. I just calculated based on the mental mathematics. So पहले 93 को 3 से डिवाइड किया तो ये 31 हो गया, ये 10850 हो गया. Now I saw that 31 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 31 3 जा 93, 15 बच गया 155, 31 5 से कट जाएगा तो 350 हो जाएगा. तो 350 into 100 is 35,000. So his original sale was 35,000. Correct? So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.